Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I got this email from Printful, and they are basically stating that, hey, we discontinued the previous glass jar candle. What you guys remember in my video, I said they were going to discontinue it. It was no stock. They are saying that it was due to unreliable stock, and they've introduced a new alternative, a glass jar soy wax candle. Again, it's sourced from Europe and hand poured in Latvia. It again is also unscented, and I do not understand the reason for an unscented candle, but they have made their promise, even though they said end of October, but it is November. I'm going to check this candle out. I am going to go ahead and go to Printful. I was able to go from the link in my email. This time it's like huge where it says unscented. Not sure. It almost looks like it's the same candle, but we shall see. So I am going to just start a new order from my Printful store. And hopefully I can use one of my, this said you could use the same design that you used previously. So I will do that as well. The price for this is $12.95. I'm going to add my design. So this time I'm going to use this design. I really like this one. Let me make sure that my image fits. Let me look at the mock-up view. And I'm really not, like, this time around, I'm really not concerned about the label. So I'm just going to leave it white, and I'm just going to leave it like that because I just want to review the updated candle. The fact that it's still unscented does not sit well with me. And again, it makes me feel like, what is the reason? You guys, to be a part of the print on demand candle industry, it has to be different. You have to come a little bit harder than an unscented candle for your first rendezvous. And I love Printful. I absolutely love Printful. I am just, as a consumer, in all sense of the way, I don't understand this move. I understand if it was making a statement that you wanted to provide something that was easier for people who may have these allergies, or you put it out that way, or it's organic or something, but I don't understand unscented candle. Yeah, that is my only dilemma with this, but I am going to go ahead and order this new candle, and when I receive it, the next video you guys will see is me unboxing this candle.